Hello everyone and welcome back to Captain of Industry. Since we will not have access to gold on the island for a little while, I have decided to actually set up a trade contract that will give us some gold in exchange for some diesel. To actually reach the gold on the island, it will take a bit of time because the ramp digging is a little bit slow, mostly because of the distances involved, but not much we can do about that, I'm afraid. On the bright side, the traded gold will actually give us the opportunity to build these mainframes, which will allow us to get started on the next tier of research, which is something very nice. So anyways, let's get into it. Okay, let's get to work. Now, the thing is, at this point in time, the only real obstacle that we have to overcome is this little land bridge. It is progressing relatively nicely, but even after we finish building the bridge, we will still have to go all the way up on this mountainside. So yeah, this might not even finish in this episode. I'm hopeful, but not confident. What else can we do in the meantime? Basically, the only thing in our way is the lack of gold. Can we trade for it? So, no, we can only trade it away. That's not good. Okay, we can set up a contract. No, wait. No, yes, it's a contract. Okay, so we can trade away diesel for some gold. But I don't really like the sound of that. Definitely not this. No. And no, we can only sell it. So we could set up a contract. Do we want to? It is already a refined gold, so something to consider. So let me say 1300 diesel, and we have 4000 stored up. What is the consumption of diesel at this point? Let me see, total production. So production is around 144. Well, technically we could set up a cargo dock for it, maybe here, and we can have a pressure valve set up, maybe one here. So basically maybe I don't know. Maybe we can have it going 50-50, half of it going towards naphtha and the another half going towards trading. You know what? Yeah, let's just go for it. So let's build a trading dock. I will build it at the very edge of this place. I think it's going to be temporary, so I will only set up a single fluid module for this one. Wait, can we even... Oh, right, the ship might not be able to store enough for this trade, so... Let me just check the ship. So we need 1300, I believe. Where was it? This one? Yeah, so yeah, 1312. So you can store 440. So 1312 divided by 440, that's maybe 3 fluid modules. Yeah, you know what? Let's play it safe. Let's just give it 3 fluid modules and a single unit module. That means we can get away with just a... what's it? Where is it? cargo dock. Yeah, a tier 2 cargo depot should be enough for this one, I think. So, as I have said, we will have small ones will be okay. The ship can store so 3 fluid modules and a single unit module. Sure. Plus, tier 2 ship will be okay for this one, I think. Yeah, let's go for it. So, quick build. Next, this one. Oof, reputation 3. And we are 0 at the moment. Well, let's just get to it. Let's hope I remember to monitor the progress on this. Start loading the ship. So we once again have iron ore in the shipyard. I wonder where it comes from, because technically speaking, everything we mine up in terms of iron should make it to the sorting plants at this point, because it comes from both the main iron mine and the one that we are leveling down. So we shouldn't really have any source of iron that is... Oh, I think I know. I think somebody comes here, picks up the iron, and by the time it tries to dump it into the sorting plant, it actually... or into the crusher, it gets filled up from the sorting plants. And once it actually is filled up, then the truck cannot deliver the cargo, so they take it to the shipyard. I think that is the issue. And we are already using tier 3 conveyor belts, so it cannot be any faster than this. Any way to prevent this, apart from disallowing exports from here? Not really. So for now I will stop exporting from here, and I will set up warnings for these storages. So please tell me if you are, I suppose, 50% empty. So you are the steel production. So steel, iron, storage, steel mill, iron storage. And you are the, once again, same notification, 50%. You are the iron smelting, iron storage. Sure. So if these are getting empty for any reason whatsoever, then we will open that storage. Until that happens, they will that cargo dock will remain silent. Okay. Hopefully that will fix this small issue. This 120 I will dump, I suppose. Okay. Yeah, at this point I think we can build this cargo dock. It is done. The cargo ship, yeah, it is ready to deliver. So can you please take it right here, deliver cargo. Let's hope I remember to bring it back. Also, we will need one more cargo ship. So I will set this one to be repaired and might as well start loading it. We cannot assign these modules until we have the contract active, so I will leave this notification here so we get reminded to keep this whole process going. Okay, and that is all the notifications. How is the coal mine? We are really efficient in the coal mine, which is both good and bad. I suppose Can we dig down one more layer before we have a risk of collapsing this tower? I think so. Yeah, let's just dig one more level down. So if we do this, we should still have this ramp. You know what? Just to be on the safe side, I will dig down this way. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Please dig all the way down this way. But not too close. Oh wait, no. Please do level designations here. Thank you. We can go out this far, but not all the way. Yeah, this area will be kept on level 9. And I don't want to collapse this ramp either, so I will go only this far and we will leave. Let's see. I suppose we can have this ramp going down this way. Yeah, that will do it. Okay. Let's keep deepening the coal mine. It will have to be done sooner or later anyway, so might as well do it now. Also, we have plenty of mineable areas left on this side as well. How far does it go? Quite far. Okay, so we will keep on digging down into the pit, and I will worry about fine-tuning these designations once we have the farms out of the way. Speaking of the farms, how is this tree farm going? It is almost done. Very happy to see that. Also, how is this one? It's very slow. Why is it? It has 2 trucks only. I will give this the 3 hydrogen trucks and I will take off these ones. Sure. That might be able to speed things up around here a little bit. Okay, how is the land bridge? Okay, it is getting very, very close now. I will build this tower right now. Yes, please. And once we have reached the actual island, I will reassign that excavator to that place. Okay, let's take a look at the ship. It is back home, great. It has the cargo ship repair materials, so let's take care of that next. And in the meantime, we can start loading, yeah, the second level of reputation materials. Start loading, please. Okay. This one will be ready fairly soon, hopefully. Let's not forget to give it the fuel it needs, which will of course be hydrogen. Okay, it has delivered the cargo for the damaged ship. Let's bring it home. Okay, so now we have 3 cargo ships. If we need any more in the future, we will have to go through these guys, I suppose. Oh, no, wait. We have one more here. And it's only 430 difficulty, so that's not too bad. Anywhere else? I don't see any more. Anyways, the cargo for the settlement has been loaded, so let's deliver it. That this is going to be for level 2 reputation, so we need one more delivery. I wonder what quartz is for. We don't have it. Or do we? Yeah, there we go, quartz. So, of course, crushed quartz, and that one... Really? Just to make sand? Well, that's kind of underwhelming, if I'm honest. Oh well, the ship is now... Okay, it's coming back home. I think... Yeah, we need to start loading the next setup. I mean, the next level reputation donation. So, let's do that before the ship comes home. We still have 3 teraflops waiting for something. Where? Oh, right. We had this one under construction before. You can go dormant for now. Now, do we need processing power for the next tier of research? I suppose we will need it, but let's just make sure. So research lab 4, yeah, 12 teraflops. Of course we do. So we cannot really set up the next tier of research, unfortunately. Well, technically speaking, we could set up the actual production facilities, but we have built these a little bit too close, so we will have to move these guys. Yeah, let's take care of that right now. So let's move all this. That should be okay. Yeah, it all got dumped into the shipyard. Yeah. So, to actually make the next tier of research, let me just see. We need the robotic assemblies, unfortunately. I wonder, are those also need computing power? I suspect... Yeah, 4 teraflops. Of course, that's fine, not a problem. They will just stay dormant for now. So, we will need... where is it? Research or lab equipment, or preferably in the recipe book. So yeah, just electronics 3, that's easy enough. So let's set that up right now. Output will be this way, I believe, yes. Electronics 3s and the robotic assemblers this way. What is the output? So 6, and it will require 12. So we have enough production for one of these guys. I think I will settle for having one of these because we don't really have all that many technologies at this end of the research tree. They might take a little bit longer than usual, but I think I'm going to be okay with that. Anyways, let's copy this input. So we will have the research parts or the lab equipment fed in this way. And might as well make it consistent, so we will have this belt going this way. These are tier 1 belts, but I don't think we will need... Yeah, tier 1 belt will be plenty enough for that. Okay, might as well build it. It's not going to become operational because this one requires computing power, but I suppose we can have it paused. That's going to be fine. Okay. We might as well set up the research facilities too. So it is buildings, yes. So they will consume 4, so we can only have 4 of them. Sorry, 2 of them. Yeah, one here, and well, technically we can have it this way. So output 50-50, thank you. Yeah. We will not be able to build them because they will require the lab equipment force, but we can build a belt, I suppose. Okay. Anything else? Not really. So the ship should be good to go at this point. Yeah, it has the materials for reputation 3. Deliver it, please. And we have the ship at this point. Yeah, there we go. So once that cargo is delivered, we should be ready to accept the contract. How is the land bridge? It is very, very close now. I will give this one... I am not 100% sure that we can fit the big dumpers on this ramp. Also, I think this one has to be this way just to be on the safe side. Yeah, let's just be extra careful with this. Okay, so as I have said, I don't think we can fit the big guys on this ramp, so we will have to give it some of the medium trucks. Well, at least once we are ready to move the this guy over. And it is still, looks like it's standing still. Dumping trucks are actually active because they are not waiting around the mining tower. So I guess it is actually being leveled down, but I don't see... So there you are. Can you actually reach it? So yes, you can go through here. You can reach the mining area, so that's fine. Can you reach the actual dumping area? You should be, because I have seen big guys on this ramp already. Yeah, we have one of them right here. Let me just see. Are they... Yeah. They belong onto this tower, so... It still feels way too slow. Oh well. Is this delivered yet? Yes, it is. No, this one. So, we can accept this contract. I will do so right now. It is accepted. And we can assign these to that contract. So yeah, diesel, gold, there we go. Now, as I have said, I think I will hook into this balancer for this purpose. And we will have any excess diesel production split between the cracking units and the actual trading. So let's set that one up now. This is not going to be a pretty pipe. This is going to be basically temporary. So I will not make this one win any beauty contests. We will just simply go ahead and barrel through everything. Okay, maybe not that ugly. Okay, and now we are just going to go ahead and feed into this set of fluid modules. Preferably going this way. There we go. Quick build, please. Okay, now any excess diesel production, half of it will go towards trading. You know what? Every single drop of excess production will go towards the trade. I want to have some gold, maybe in this episode, if we can manage it. Okay, how is the land bridge? It is almost at the goal. Almost finished. Anything we can do in the meantime? I am a little bit worried about plastic production. Let me just take a look at that. Well, we do have quite a bit of plastic going around, but I would feel a little bit better if we had some excess. So I think I will double up on the production. So this is the naphtha and this is the chlorine. Okay. Oh, right. Naphtha goes in this way, I believe. Yes, okay, so that doesn't matter if we block this pipe, that's going to be fine. Chlorine goes this way, that's fine. Okay, and now just the output belt. I think that's it. Yep, let's just build it. The hydrogen, we did have a small issue a couple episodes ago, but I think it was a bit premature. But we still need to pass the time. So how about we put in the rest of the oil refining capacity? For that we will need to move this ramp, so I will go ahead and cut this pipe down. I don't think we are dumping any sour water, but I still keep this pipe around just in case. So you please go ahead and do this. There we go. And then this one can go away. I believe this pipe has to be level. Yeah, it is quite important that this is consistent with the rest. Alright, and I believe now it is a matter of just copy pasting this whole setup. So I will go ahead and do it like this, so we can line it up with this setup. Yes, that's one, and that's another. And now we just need to make sure that every single piece of pipe is doing what we need it to do. For example, this one has to hook into this one. These four look more or less correct. Since this is the end of the line for this refining setup, this one doesn't have to be hopping over anything. So you can go ahead and do this. Anything else? Surprisingly, I think this is pretty much it. Yeah, everything looks more or less hooked up the way they should be hooked up. I don't see any rat connections or missing connections or anything like that, so I think this is pretty much good to go. Now we will not build these just yet, only I will build the pipe network. And I believe that is pretty much it. Now I am not 100% sure that the amount of steam we are generating is enough. I will revisit that in a second. Let's just take a look at the notifications. So truck is struggling to find... Okay, did we finish the ramp? Yes, we finished the ramp. Pause. Let's take a look at the others. So no available place to dump products. That's fine. That just means that we can go back to dumping in this area. So don't mind if I do. I will dump until here. Might as well go for one more big tile. Okay. Yeah, that is going to be the only place we are dumping. So that should fix some of the notifications. Old truck is struggling to find... Oh, right. I did not call these guys out, so we will have to rescue some of them. Including some of the trucks. And this one, and that's it. Okay. They will find their way back, so that's going to be fine. And tree harvester has no trees. Perfect. This area is now completely gone. This tree will be uprooted when we finish digging this place out, so that's fine. Which means these tree harvesters can go into go and work for these towers. Great. How is the wood, by the way? Wood is perfectly fine. And now the only notification left is that we have some mining designations outside mining areas, and that is just fine because we have this place, and that is fine. This iron mine is, how is it? Once this little hill is gone, I will remove these designations. That's going to be all right. Okay, at this point I think... How is this? We almost have enough diesel for one trade. After that, in the meantime, I will set this one to be hydrogen powered. I only want to trade the excess. You are diesel powered. Can you please be hydrogen powered? Thank you. You work for the coal mine. Okay. Let's just check and make sure that all of them are hydrogen powered. So you as well. You as well. You too. You are fine. You are fine. So we have 6 of them. Ooh, how many did I set? You're already set. You are fine. You're okay, and we have the rest of the excavators coming home. Okay, I will revisit this place once again once we have these upgraded. Let's see, 140 we need, and we have 880, so we still have enough, but we still have iron being dumped in this one. Why is that? So we no longer have iron coming out of this storage. Oh, right. We do have coming out, some of it coming out of these modules. Please don't do that. Okay. Let's hope that fixes it now. So please just discard it and that's fine. As for these lab equipment, I really don't want to lose them, but we really don't have any place to feed it back into the belts. Well, technically we can do it with a very long belt, so yeah, let's just do it. So lab equipment 3, not full or not empty, just neutral storage. You will feed into this one. Since we don't have any consumption, it will take some time to actually do it, but at least it's there. Okay, and now we have coal in here. But it is gone now, so that's fine. Okay, I think I will still hold back on the vehicle part. We are not really using all that many. And we will not do so for a while longer because we don't have enough vehicle capacity. But thankfully we are managing for now. Let me just take a look at these guys. I want to find the last remaining trucks that are still diesel powered. You as well, please. Please be upgraded. What about you? You are being upgraded, that's fine. Okay, I think that was all 6 at this point. If not, then we will just find the last one. Okay, how is the ramp? I mean the land bridge. It is good to go, I think. So, if you don't mind, I will take the excavator dealing with this area off and put it into digging out that ramp. So you please go do that, and we will take out these hydrogen trucks as well. So can you please deal with this one? Well, now that I think about it, if the big guys cannot deal with this ramp, then maybe the excavator will have some trouble as well. Something to consider. Okay, for now I will try to do it with mega excavators and dumpers. If we cannot manage, then we just have to make this one a little bit wider. That's going to be fine, I think. Okay. Do we have any gold yet? Not quite, but almost. Oh, wait, we do. Okay, we have gold. That means... do we have any of it delivered yet? Not yet. But at this point we should have some coming in. At least theoretically. Because trucks can actually reach this place. Oh, wait. Allow exports. Okay, that should fix it. Yeah, there we go. Where are you taking this? Let's follow this guy. So we have some nice gold bars going somewhere. Obviously going to the microchip factories. At this point, I think we can unpause this one as well. Even prioritize it. Yeah, quick build. There you go. Okay. So, this is the first time that I am dealing with this mainframe. So let's see what we need to make this work. So maintenance 2, we have plenty of that. That is very good to know. So we don't have to deal with the next tier of maintenance. So what do we need to make this one work? That's it? Just maintenance? I thought we would need to supply it with, I don't know, microchips or something. I'm not complaining or anything and like that, but I was expecting a little bit more than this. Okay, anyways, this one will give us 8 teraflops. I think I will waste it on research. So this one will require 4. Let's unpause. And that will leave us with 4 teraflops. For this one we will need 12, so we will need one more mainframe. Let's just go for it. We will not be able to build it because we don't have enough gold, but I think one more trade should do it. By the way, do we have gold on these belts yet? Not yet. But it's only a matter of time. Okay. So, how are you going to manage? I just arrived in time. So, you guys, of course, can go through this ramp, that's fine. We just need to keep an eye on this, I suppose. So, one big tile is 4 small tiles wide. And I think we already have some single tiles dig out here, so at least at the start it should be okay. And I think we have enough tiles designated to be wide enough, maybe. Yeah, we just need to keep an eye on it, I suppose. Okay, at this point I think it will tell us if it has any problems, so yeah, let's just leave it alone. Okay, this place is now built, so we have enough processing power to deal with at least one research lab. So if you don't mind, I will unpause this one. Once all the construction parts 4s are delivered, I will set this one to be emptied out, and that will not be quite enough, but almost. So we should have, there you are. They are delivering the construction parts. Okay. Or should we just leave it up to the robotic factory? Yeah, let's just tell it to allow exports and that's going to be fine. So let's see. So theoretically, oh right, we are only using, so yeah, okay. I was confused about this. I thought it was counting down instead of counting up to the limit, so that's going to be all right. Okay. So as soon as we have 20 lab equipment, you know what, yeah, let's just empty this one out. You can take care of it. And done. So, technically speaking, I think we are ready to start doing the next tier of research. Let's see what we have on the table. Should we do CO2 recycling? Instead of sequestering it in limestone, we could turn it into graphite, so that is something to consider. Arc furnace, I think I will keep using, I think, yeah, these will use processing power as well as a lot of electricity, so yeah, let's just keep using coal. I think vehicle management is something good to go for. Cargo depot 4. Sure, might as well take care of it. Might as well take care of the ship upgrades. The superheated steam for the fast breeder reactor. Maybe electronics, assembly, robotic tools. And after that, whatever comes along. Okay, and might as well do medical as well. Sure. Okay. So, at this point, it will be a long way, but at least it's underway. So, let's take a look at the ramp. Yeah, I think we are actually managing, at least for now. I think it's going to be okay. But once again, if it has any problems, it will tell us, so we don't really need to worry about that. I am a little bit worried about the amount of maintenance that this one requires. So this one is 15 maintenance, and we can make... how much exactly? 480. Okay, never mind. I think we are going to be okay on maintenance, because previously we technically only needed one maintenance depot, but we had two, so yeah, it will be fine. As for these, should we build these? Technically it would increase the amount of diesel that we are making, which would actually increase this one as well. Should we go for it? Maybe. But we have a mega excavator struggling, so... yeah, it is too narrow at this point. So, all we have to do is set these designations. That should take care of it. These are all mining designations, so we are not actually dumping anything. I would like to avoid that on these kinds of slopes. So technically we don't have enough computing power to get started on these, but we still don't have gold here. They can actually go reach through, so why don't we have any gold in here? That's weird. So we have plenty of gold in this one. Oh, right. Because we don't have 60 and we have this one set. So if we allow partial loads, we should see someone come and pick this gold up and deliver it, I suppose. I think at least. Let's give it a couple of seconds. Maybe not. Oh, there you go. Gold goes. Exactly. Okay, we can go back to not allowing partial loads. I was just curious about what was the issue, and now we know. Yeah, this pipe tower is still something that I am not 100% happy with, but I think it does the job. Yeah, so at this point we are only waiting for computing power to get this place started. Technically speaking, we can, let me see, how many we need? 3 teraflops per machine, so we need 36 altogether, which means, oh, okay, never mind, we need at least 5 of these. You know what, might as well get started. We should set these up in a more suitable location, I suppose. Maybe in here. They will kind of go well behind the town. We just need to make sure that we don't block any through traffic, and that should be alright. Maybe in this corner. Yeah, sure. So... or maybe... we will have to get rid of these districts anyway, sooner or later. So maybe we can have a row of mainframes here, have a road go through here, maybe through here as well. Let me just see, how big are these mainframes? There you are. First things first, let's move these guys out. So the first step on that road is going to be the moving of these two. Yeah, you can go here, I suppose. That leaves enough space for everything. Just quick deliver everything, that's going to be fine. Okay, so these two have to go. And we just need to build 2 more districts. So quick. And I will pause the captain's office until we are done. I don't want to overpopulate. And done. So you can go away. And you as well. Okay, we have no overpopulation, so you can go back to work. So let me see how we can do this. We are going to have the entrance. I think this is the entrance side. So we can have these this way, yes. I suppose we can have the road. Let me see. So this is the entrance. No, this is the entrance side. You will go right here. Another one goes here, and we can have the road go throughout this way. Another one goes there. Or to have the ceilings or the roofs lined up, we will have it this way instead. Sure. So right now this is overkill. Technically we only need 5 more to have one of the microchip factories booted up. So I will unpause 5 of them. I still want to keep the research going. So we will have these 5 unpaused. They will get built at some point, I suppose. As for the textures, we will have, where are they? Right here. So brick surface goes here. And I think we can just go ahead and... so it was 6. Yeah, 6 goes this way. And the rest will be regular old concrete. Maybe not this one. Yeah, this far I will build these for now. Okay. Technically maybe we can put in some trees along this area, but maybe some other day, not right now. Okay, I think I'm pretty happy with this one at least for now. Okay, I might as well stop building these textures. We don't really need them. Not right now. Okay. So these will have to wait for the gold, but once we have the gold, they will put in and that will be great. How's the shipyard? The medical supplies should be taken out before long, so that's going to be alright, I think. Anyways, I've been neglecting the exploration for a while now. Let's just take care of this ship. It's only difficulty for 30, so we should be able to take care of it, and we can have that ship on standby. Okay, how is the ramp? It is very, very slow, of course, because the dump trucks are also very, very slow. But we do have a source of gold, so I am not all that bothered about it, if I'm honest. The copper is fine. I think I will upgrade these guys to be... Wait, before I do... What is the vehicle part situation? 568. Do we have any more diesel trucks in the coal mine? No, I don't think so. That is good. Also, this battle... Barely a scratch. Okay, so yeah, let's just repair this ship. As for these, we have a coal mine here. Let's just go for these guys for now. We can load the materials for that ship and that should be alright. You know what, yeah, I decided I will build these 2 stacks of refining, so we can have some extra diesel going towards trading. That should be okay. Also, please don't allow any imports or exports for these guys on any stages, please. Alright, that should increase the diesel production, which will speed up the amount of gold that we are getting. Okay, now this one was of course a little bit harder, so we can come home. And look at that, we have a nice little thoroughfare going through here. That's interesting. Anyways, is the ship loaded? Not quite. Thankfully, the metal production is quite alright these days. Okay, in terms of power, ever since we have started building these mainframes, yeah, I think I will go ahead and build 2 more stacks just to be on the safe side. So we need to go this far, I believe. Yes, that's correct. And we can have set up another balancer. Let me see. 3 tiles away. Let me just cut this one off. Stop. copy paste this. This is the easiest way to do this. There we go. Okay, balancer is still correct. Okay. Also, this is level 1 belt. Can you please behave yourself? Thank you. Also, this one is level 1, 2. Does that mean that... No, we had tier 3 belts everywhere else, so I don't know where that tier 1 came from. Oh well. The important thing is that we are ready to build these stacks of power generators. Except we don't have, the tier 4 construction parts. That's fine, I will simply unpause them. We are not exactly in a hurry, so yeah, they can get built whenever. Now this will increase the water consumption quite a bit, so we will have to keep an eye on this groundwater deposit, but it's still fine. Okay, let's see, this is not power plant 2, but power plant 3. And we don't have enough workers. Yeah, these require 12. For now, I will have them paused. We will unpause them when it is actually time to get started on the microchips. They are still unpaused constructions, but the actual operation is paused. Can I quick build the textures? Yes, we can. Okay, what is your problem now? Okay, fine. Can you move yourself here, please? Okay, now it's back to work. Okay, I think I will have to call the episode right here because we are over time. And before we go, I will unpause, I think, 4 more construction parts. No, only 2. 2 more construction parts factories. Other than that, yeah, I will also hazard building these districts. If we don't have enough food, then we have this area good to go basically, so I think we are going to be okay in terms of food. Yeah. So I think we are pretty much okay. Okay, so I think I will call the episode right here. All that is left to say is that thank you for watching. If you like the video, you can leave a like, leave a comment, and maybe subscribe to the channel if you want. If you would like to support me a little bit more, you can do so by clicking the join button and becoming a channel member, which will give you a 1-week and ad-free early access to these videos. Once again, thank you very much for your support and for watching. Thank you and goodbye.